Are you looking for a reliable security camera and can't decide between the Tapo C212 and the Tapo C210? Today we will compare both in order to help you make the right choice for your home security needs. So without further delay, let's jump right in. First up, the design. So both the Tapo C212 and the C210 have a compact and the modern look, making it easy to place in your home without standing out too much. The key difference is the C212 has a slightly more refined design with a more discrete profile. Now, when it comes to the performance, both the cameras offers the 2K resolution, providing clear detailed footage, but the C212 has an edge with its enhanced AI-powered motion detection, offering smart alerts with the help to in order to avoid the false alarms. The C210 also delivers the solid motion detection, but it's less advanced than the C212. Now, in terms of the viewing angles, both the cameras provide the pan and the tilt function, giving you a wide range of coverage. However, both also share the similar storage options, supporting the local micro SD cards and the cloud storages. So, no big differences here. Of course, we got to talk about the price. So, the Tapo C210 is generally more affordable, making it a great option if you want the solid security on a budget. The C212, with its enhanced AI features, comes at a slightly higher price but offers smarter and more efficient security. So, which one is better? So, if you want this more smart AI detection and don't mind spending a little more, the Tapo C212 is your go-to. But if you are looking for a budget-friendly, reliable camera, the Tapo C210 will still give you the excellent performance. You can also check out the description to grab yours now. Thanks for watching.